Now we shall study the determination of position and nature of the wavefront. How the position and nature of the wavefront is determined. It is mainly by tracing out the objects which are vibrating in the same phase in the medium. If you send out the maximum vibrations, that is how usually we do it. There is another method that is called Huygens principle. So Huygens principle helps us to determine the nature of the or the shape of the wavefront. So Huygens principle, there are two principles. A source carries forward energy. Backward wavefronts are ignored. Backward direction is ignored. So to explain this, suppose there is a point source, couple of point sources. So this gives you the wavefront. This gives you the spherical wavefront around that source. But if I pick out a point, these 3 points, they are vibrating in the same phase, it gives you the wavefront. These are all vibrating in the same phase. So this gives you wavefront. Also remember, if I name this as A and B, remember these points can also give you, they are also able to give you wavefront. They can also give you wavefront. But here, according to Huygens principle, source carries forward energy. So energy is taken only in forward direction. Energy moving is taken only along the forward direction. So AB is a wavefront, A dash B dash is not a wavefront. Then every point on the wavefront, that is the second point, every point on the wavefront is the source of secondary wavelets, which carries the energy forward. So every point on this is a source of secondary wavelets. So the particles which are vibrating in same phase at a point on the initial wavefront is a source of secondary wavelets, and they carry forward the energy.